Okay, everybody, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you some factory chromed pilot survival knives made by Camillus. Now, the reason I have it on top of my NASA equipment shipping box is because Camillus referred to this knife as the astronaut knife, which I think is kind of cool. I'm pretty sure it was never issued to any astronauts, but it's called the Model 1010. And if the history of this factory chrome knife interests you, stick around. All right, everybody, welcome back. Thanks for sticking around. Real quick, a lot of these chrome knives were made, I believe they started being made around the time of the end of the Vietnam War, and they were mostly made from knives that Camillus had in the factory. So this is the oldest version, right? So if you look at it real close, you can see it's a blade marked knife, right? Camillus, New York. It's completely chromed, even the top, right? You see, pay attention to this because it's going to be different on the last one. The pommel is chromed, the guard is chromed, and the blade is chromed. Now, this is the style that was made. The style of knife with the marking on the ricasso is the style that was made from 1962 to 1967. So in 67, they stopped stamping them here and they started stamping them here. So that's what we have here. This is another one. This one is stamped. See if you can see it. Camillus, New York, 10/1969. Same thing, right? It's welded. The whole thing is chromed. The guard and the blade. And from 67 onward, they stamped them here until, at least for the military contract, until they stopped making them. Now, of course, these knives with chrome finish were offered only to the civilian market. So this is the last one. Let's see if you can see the markings. This is the last marking that they ever used before they went out of business. So it's marked this way on the blade, but you'll notice there's a difference in the pommel. Right, so it's not welded. Exactly how it's connected, other than just being peened, I'm not exactly sure. But there you have it. Interesting little knives. Like I said, I hauled out my NASA critical space item container box just for this video, because they refer to these as astronaut knives, and I've always thought that was pretty cool. So if this was helpful, educational, entertaining, and all that, please give me a like. If this is the kind of content that you enjoy, by all means, feel free to subscribe. And thanks for joining me today in Free America. God bless America.